Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 automatic transmission service. This video applies to the 8-speed, which is only on the facelift model. So the first thing you need to know is the filter is part of the pan. So you've got to change the whole thing. Filter's in there. You don't have to buy this genuine. You can get it from Repco or Burson's and save yourself a fortune. We're going to talk you through the DIY, how to do this yourself. Let me come closer here. First thing is, on the old one, you drain it through this plastic Torx. You do not touch this on the new one. So drain the box, pull this whole thing off the transmission, throw this in the bin, bolt the new one up, and do not touch this. I'll show you in a minute where you refill the transmission fluid from. This is plastic and it's a very just low quality thread. If you damage this, you're going to leak transmission fluid everywhere. You need a, what size is the Torx? It is a T40, and the front ones are not fun. All right, I'll show you how to do it.
I hold the thing, hold it. Thanks, mate. Star Wars is better.
Yeah. Okay, so we're under here. First thing is get all your under trays off. If you can't work out how to do that, you shouldn't be doing this job anyway. So you don't have to do it this way, but this is the easiest way, is this transmission cross member comes out. You've got 6 of these, I think they're a 15 or a 16 mil bolt up here, and these 2 here. Brace your transmission, transfer case, at the back, because when you pull this out, it's all going to want to drop out. And then you've got your T40s that are all here, all the way around. So you undo all of them, drain your box through here first, as we said before. These front ones under this cross member here are quite challenging, so that's the one that's going to make you swear and carry on and wish you'd never started. When you're done, obviously you put your new one on. We'll show you as we do the job. To refill the box, like I said, you do not touch this. You refill it here. This is an 8mm Allen key. What was that? Some beeping noise. 8mm Allen key here. So with the new pan on, you fill your transmission up until oil runs out of here. Then you need a second person in the car with the car running. And then you go through the gears while you're in the car. Make sure the driver's door is shut. The car will put itself in park if the driver's door's open. And go through the gears while someone's filling this up until it dribbles out of here as well. So now our Jeep Star Tyler's going to do the whole job. And you can watch him do it.
Oh, it's so tight. That's hot. Is that recording? Oh, that was hot. Maybe come here and hold this. Come here and hold this schmozzle.
This one?
Yeah.
You've got those 2 sorted out. We can just sort of get back.
So leave at least 1 or 2 bolts in, don't take it out of the way just in case you drop it unexpectedly and it all goes all over you. In this case, there is nothing. Yes, we've got that undone, but you never know. the filter is built into the new pan and the old pan. All it is this, and it just sits in this little hole here. I'll show you. So at least you know which way the pan sits. Just dab everything. Little bits will come down, but that's alright. Just gives you enough time to put the thing in. New pan. This little bob here goes in the bottom of the transmission here, so you know you can't get it wrong. Oh, that's it. This is me. I don't. But so if you're anything like me and you get an apprentice around, just get them to pump 5 litres in the transmission filler. Looks like and when you got 5 litres in, bring it, you pump it up until it spills out, which is usually about just over a litre. And then you bring the car down, start the car, get someone to sit in it, turn it on while you're up, and then pump the rest of it in. So now we're going to fill it properly with transmission fluid. Mecca upstairs is going to start the car. That'll suck all the fluid up. So then we can fill the rest of it with what we've got, which is probably 4 litres. Pump, same speed. spraying brake cleaner everywhere because, as every mechanic knows, it just eats up the oil. Oh, that's that 4-runner. Look at it.